I set a challenge for myself that I'll be releasing 10 consecutive videos on my YouTube channel, and you'll be surprised on how I'm actually doing that, you know. So in today's video, guys, I ain't really revealing anything on how I'm doing that, but then I'm going to reveal the most important thing in this video, and that is time management, guys. So guys, welcome back to the channel and hope everyone is doing well. If you do find the video helpful, guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys, to be part of the community. And this is the 9th day of creating YouTube videos for 10 consecutive days, and I really appreciate it so much for those who have been here with me and for those who are watching the videos and stuff like that. And I really hope you guys are learning something from the videos, you know. And yeah, guys, if you guys have any comments, comment down below. I really appreciate it so much. So guys, getting to the video, I believe to achieve goals, all we need is time management, guys, because if time is the most important thing that anybody can be able to see how they're gonna use it, I think that's what we need. It's one of the most important things we can start seeing at how we're going to value our time and stuff like that. So learning to say no, I think it goes well with time management, you know. And I think this is how I'm actually able to upload videos here on YouTube consistently, because I learned how to say no on the things that I don't want to do and the things that was not part of my plan or part of my schedule, you know. Learning to say no, guys. Let's start learning to say no, guys. Let's start learning how to say no, because if you have a schedule that you already set for yourself and things come that you didn't expect, guys, the only answer that you have to give is no, unless if that is something very important to you, or unless it's most important people in your life that you have to cancel all your plans for you to see them, or you have to cancel all your plans for you to actually engage in that invitation, you know. Let us learn how to say no, guys, and I think this is the only way for us we will be able to achieve our goals and dreams. The other thing that I really think that we need for us to achieve our goals and dreams will be, like, you know, let us avoid multitasking, because as much as multitasking might be important for us to achieve a lot of things at the same time, but I also think that multitasking is also delaying us into actually seeing those big achievements. Because if we keep on multitasking a lot of things, because there's no way we will see that there's no way we will actually reach at that level of success that fast, because we are focused on a lot of things. So let's just continue to avoid multitasking. And I also think this is something that helped me be able to actually post videos here on YouTube consistently for consecutive days. And yeah, guys, and there's a lot of things that was behind me posting videos consistently on YouTube, but then these are just the ones that I really wanted to share with you guys, because I feel like this is something that we all need to achieve our goals and dream, and that is learn to say no and avoid multitasking. And especially if it's something that you really wanna see good results and wanna see results fast, let us avoid multitasking and just continue to put our full focus into that one thing that we really wanna achieve. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's basically the end of this video, guys. If you watched this till this far, I really appreciate it so much. And if you're new to the channel, guys, welcome to the channel, and hopefully you'll be part of the community by subscribing, and make sure you turn the notification bell to be notified every time a video is dropped on the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you keep grinding. I really hope you keep pushing on the things that you really want to achieve, as we all are pushing to become successful, as we all are pushing to become better people. I just hope you continue with your journey, continue to learn, continue to improve, continue to grow. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.